Hi mga vlogs! Welcome back to my mini vlog. So, ayun na nga, pagkatapos namin uminom ni Ivar or mag-chill lang somewhere ni Ivar at isang glass lang kami ng beer, tigisa at we decided na lumipat sa ibang club. At ito ang aming nakita and that's see how what they are doing. So, the guy is just drunk and the police took him and he's harmless. As you can see, he's just drunk and walking and talking, but look at them, they just took him and put him down on the floor. And you will just wait a little bit because one guy, look at this guy, so this guy is the manager of the English pub. So he got angry because they took that guy on the floor, which is he's not doing anything or bad thing. He's not doing any bad thing. So always watch out with the police guys here in Iceland. They are always like that.